Yes guys, what's up, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this YouTube channel, so I will take you through my strategy, the way how I start drawing the setups and everything. So as you can see, we are on a daily time frame. We start from daily, then I go to 4-hour chart. Understand? So when you come at the 4-hour chart, you can see. So I will explain everything here a little bit quick, because this strategy is very simple. You don't need to, when I was starting trading five months ago, like 1 year, and then I lost the what should I say? I liked trading, but again, the first guy who went to, everything was kind of, should I say that he wasn't all that good? I don't know. He was good maybe in his strategy, but he was making everything very hard for me to understand. This strategy, you don't need to, let's say, the liquidity, inducement, the liquidity, and so on and whatsoever. All right, to cut all the BS, let's start from here, because everything starts building up from the 4-hour chart if you are a day trader. So as you can see, the way how I start drawing this, you can see I mark the most important parts, is the most, should I say, the resistance level, the one on top, because we are entirely focusing on this. This is the main focus, the recent one. We do not focus on the previous history, the previous data. That comes on later, you understand? But you have to focus on the recent data, what happened around here. That's where the message is, because trading is all about, it's like a language which you have to understand, because it is kind of like a conversation between buyers and sellers. So you have to understand what they're talking about, what is what, how are they pushing the price, and so forth. So I draw the resistance level, and then I come to and I look for the support level. As you can see, you will see in my videos, other videos, you will see how some things are lined up, because I'm going to be giving you these videos for 30 days, so you can understand this strategy. It's very simple. Trading is very easy. However, you have to be patient, disciplined, and be able to wait. I think it goes into patience. So you have to be patient as you wait for all the indications. So it was the support level, the resistance level, the support level here, because as you can see, it was a support level, and then it was broken, retest, and it shot. Then it came here and did the same. However, here it broke out and it goes into selling. So the support level later turned into a resistance level. Guys, understand? Resistance, support. So as you know, I should always draw also the fair value gap, because prices like also to fill the imbalances. As you can see, you see this space here, the fair value gap. The price had to come down all the way here. It reacted, and it had to fill these imbalances. So this is my fair value gap, and this is my order block. You have to draw the most important points on 4 hours so that you can get your daily buyers. So far I've not yet confirmed my daily buyers. As you can see, the price is in uptrend. However, right now it feels like it is in a consolidation. It's not giving any direction of any what. Not until it breaks some of the major key points, that's when we shall be able to note where are we going to trade today on the 5th of January 2026. The strategy is very simple, very simple. You have to wait for break, retest, confirmation, enter. Break, retest, confirmation, enter. Do you see? Everything is right there. So you have to be in a conversation with all these. You have to be able to talk about. So anyway, we can see bullish but not all that good. It's not a good one. That's why I told you in trading you have to be patient. You have to be patient. Patient is very key. If you're not patient, then you're going to lose money. Otherwise, you'll start saying that trading is a scam or what. But what I know, patience pays. And if you're patient enough, you'll get a good move. Then you'll be able to trade. How would you say, guys? Guys, I'm not a professional trader, and this is not a financial advice or whatsoever. This is just educational, for just educational purposes. I just tell you my opinion, how everything works, and how I've seen, because I haven't been trading for much longer. I think it is now 3 months, 4 months, 5, around there, 5, like taking the thing serious. But it is 1 year and maybe a half, but some of the guys I met along the way, they made me to lose the appetite for trading because they made everything too complicated for me to understand. But once I realized something that can at least do and I understand, so that's why I was able to at least come back full margin. But that's it. Very, very simple strategy. You don't need to stress. You don't need to draw much lines, what and what. And also, guys, the trend line. I forgot to tell you about the trend line. I also teach about this trend line in conjunction with this strategy, because I use support, resistance, trend lines, and also these fair value gaps, and maybe other blocks. The rest I don't know. This is what I teach. This is how I trade. Not how I teach. This is how I trade day in and day out. And maybe with candles, but there are a few candles here and there. It's not too complicated. It is very simple. 2 weeks you can learn the thing and you start testing it on your own. You know, the more time you spend on chart, that's when you can be able to learn. That's when you can. That's how you can get. That's how your eyes can get used to the chart, to the movements, to the language, to the conversation in the market. I'm telling you, it is nice. It feels like a video game. You know, when you play that video game, boom, shot. That's how it is. So guys, like and subscribe. I will be teaching you this strategy. Very simple. Very simple. If you're disciplined enough and you're patient, you will learn set and go. 26, we're coming for that money, that big money. All right, like and subscribe. Shout out, guys.